I'm going to give you some positive and negative statements in Igbo. Let's see if you can spot the pattern before I explain it. Achọrọ, ịhụghị. I want to see you. Achọghị, ịhụghị. I don't want to see you. Ahụrụ na Nigeria. I was born in Nigeria. Amụghị na Nigeria. I was not born in Nigeria. Etoro na Aba. I grew up in Aba. Etoghi na Aba. I didn't grow up in Aba. Eriri nri ụtụtụ. I ate breakfast. Erighi nri ụtụtụ. I did not eat breakfast. Ezutere Chima. I met Chima. Ezuteghị Chima. I did not meet Chima. Ahụrụ ya ụnyaahụ. I saw him yesterday. Ahụghị ya ụnyaahụ. I did not see him yesterday. Akpọrọ gị na WhatsApp. I called you on WhatsApp. Akpọghị gị na WhatsApp. I did not call you on WhatsApp. Echefuru ịgbanyụ ọkụ. I forgot to turn off the light. Echefughị ịgbanyụ ọkụ. I did not forget to turn off the light. Echetara gị. I remember you. Echetaghị gị. I do not remember you. Ewetara ya. I brought it. Ewetaghị ya. I did not bring it. Enwere ike ịbịa. I may come. Enweghị ike ịbịa. I will not possibly come. I will never come. So do you observe any pattern with all the things we've listed so far? When a verb ends in vowel R vowel, vowel R vowel, ERE, ORO, you just remove the R plus last vowel and replace it with GHI. Final question for you. If I love you is Ahụrụ gị n'anya, how would you say I don't love you? Leave in the comments and I'll let you know if you're right. Like and follow for more.